And you see my wait. Hold on. If I send you
I
this
see it.
live stream,
Yeah.
I need to share it. How do I?
I'll probably have to cook dinner soon. Also, I'll watch the live stream. I'll see you set up.
Wait.
I'll see you set up.
Wait. What? Sorry, I didn't hear.
I'm gonna have to make dinner soon, but I'm gonna look at your setup and then I'll probably go.
Right. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna send you the link to this then. Oh no, you're already on it, right? No.
No?
Oh fuck. I'm trying to send you my stream key.
Mm.
Here.
Okay.
Alright, so there's a little bit of delay. But
Yeah.
wait, I'm gonna send this to number 9. So this is my setup, right? I don't know if you can see. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking.
So I do all of this with the keyboard. I don't really touch my mouse. I have this is a tiling window manager, so like Windows sort of tile. Like if
Uh, I see.
I wanted to open other
Did you do the
applications.
ASCII out yourself?
No, I use like a converter, like a JPEG to ASCII converter on
Oh,
my.
okay. That's good. It seemed like a lot of effort if it's not that way.
Yeah, yeah, it would have been. But it's cool. Like I have um different layouts. I like either this one, which is called Master Slaves, or this one, which is like a Fibonacci, like a golden ratio spiral.
What do you use this for though?
So my main setup, like for when I'm doing schoolwork, is like let's pretend I have a 12th report I have to write. I MK there 12. So I'll create a text file. Practica.txt. And then
I
I
remember doing this in uni also. We did this with Linux.
oh, yeah. So I opened this with NeoVim, and I normally just start writing the thing just so the LSP knows that it's uh, LaTeX. Um, so I go the and class article. Then I'll just say title. Right, so I'll write something like pretend that's like a school report, right? And then I'll save that, and then I'll open it directly from NeoVim, and the LSP loads. I'll
Wait, are you just writing in it, like not even coding, just writing stuff in it?
Now this is supposed to be a like a programming language called Tex. Um,
Oh,
so then what I'll do is I'll have this open here, and then in another window, which I usually have side to side, I'll um, I'll open Evans, which is a PDF reader that updates automatically, and then in a separate workspace, which I can switch using my keyboard. Like I have the first workspace, my second workspace, my third, whatever. I'll have I'll compile the LaTeX So I'll open a terminal, and I'll go. I'll use Ranger, and I go to the folder, and from here I run the command shell PDF latex. Oh fuck, I misspelled this. Sorry. Wait.
So good.
Right, so I misspelled this. Fuck. So what? Alright, so in the PDF reader, I open the PDF and I try to figure out why this should be written, and then yeah. So here it sort of updates, right? I don't know if you can see. So then usually
can
this is
see.
my workflow is I'll be writing shit here like section using.
Is that markup or markdown?
No, it's a programming language called Tex. It's sort of very old programming language, and it's used for document making. Like I'll show you. Like I can make.
Is that what they're making you do at university, or is it just what you're doing?
It's just what I'm doing, honestly. And then I can put a paragraph that just says blah 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 blah. It's similar to Markdown. I'm not gonna lie. Like I feel bad saying that that I program, just because I use this. So then I just wrote some stuff, and I can compile it, and I go back here. And it should update. In theory, I think I forgot to save this. Right, yeah, so it updates. So I'll show you like some of the things that I've done with latex. Like this is the last one I did. No, I lie. This is the last one that I did. So right, it's just a lab report. But it's cool because it's really good for doing equations and shit. Like look at this, isn't this pretty? And I think it is.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Yeah, and then I actually made, like, this is one of the first useful things I've ever coded in my life, but I made a function to automatically generate this cover, and I just input the names and the name of the university, the faculty, the division, and it makes it for me. So it's
So you have to. Do you submit these lab reports in?
yeah. So this is the function that I coded, and I call it in any of the new documents that I make.
Is it Python?
No, it's not Python. It's a fucking language called Tex.
Oh, it's still tick. Oh, okay.
Right.
Sorry, text is confusing to me. It just looks like Python syntax,
Yeah.
but not really. Only the def part does. Everything else sort of looks old. I'm gonna look at ticks.
Yeah. So this is like this is a package that I coded, and I feel really proud because this is the first actually useful thing that I've ever coded that I actually use. And I'm ashamed about how hard it was for me. But I did it, and
That's
basically
sick.
I at the beginning of a document, like I'll oh fuck that. I don't have it in my latest files opened, so. Right, so this report that you're seeing here is actually, I mean, this is this on the left, right? This is how it looks like when you code it. But at the beginning, since I made my function or my package as it's called, I just call it here. It's this line. I called it carátula, which means just cover in Spanish. And then here I give it the arguments, so university and the name of the university, faculty, division, professor, class, semester, title, place, group, team, type, and the team members. And then I just put this command here that I made called slash carátula, I mean backward slash, and it just prints the cover for me. I don't know. I am much more
That's pretty
proud
good.
of this than I should be. Like it's it's pretty.
Nah, it's like it's good just to make anything that has like a function that helps you.
Yeah. My reasoning behind spending so much time on this, because it did take me like several days, is that I can use this for the rest of my major. Like, because I can just change the things. Because in Mexico they ask you that every homework has a cover, and instead of sort of making it in Word or whatnot, I can just yeah, it's cool. I don't know.
That is like very cool. I'll probably go do my dinner now, but
Yeah.
that's like I'm pretty proud of you like doing that though. Like just anything though that like helps you is better than putting just something random because like you have actual use of that.
Yeah. What else can I show you quickly? There was this other thing. Keep forgetting what it was. Oh yeah. I mean, this is kind of fucking stupid, but like, a lot of the times I'll end up with 3 windows where I'm working, and then I'll be doing something in the browser. Um, and I'll be watching a basketball game on another tiled window, which is sort of, I don't know.
Oh,
I really like
you
tiled
can?
window
Oh,
managers. Like but one other thing that I have is I downloaded this extension for Firefox called Vimium, which I very much recommend you use. Which basically it makes you be able to use Vim key bindings for browsing. So like I can use K to go up, J to go down, and then I can search with slash and whatnot. And then the best thing, honestly, is I can press F. I can, fuck, maybe not, but like if I go on Reddit or whatnot, I can press F, and you can click any link just using the keyboard. So if I wanted to open these comments about Damian Harris cleared for Thursday Night Football, I can just type AK, and I can just not use my mouse at all. And it's really good for workflow. And I have a message and I can check it using LC.
that's really cool.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, sorry for wasting
I
my
like the
time.
your theme also on Firefox. You got the old Steam theme, eh?
No, actually, oh well, it is kind of like that, but it's just like one of the default
That's
things.
the old color of the old Steam theme.
Yeah, yeah, but it's like a default theme. Like I didn't, I don't
But
want to take
but
credit for it.
I'm gonna go now though. good talking to you though.
Yeah,
Later.
if you have any problems with Linux, I mean, I'm not an expert, but um,
I'm sure I have many problems to be honest.